In this lecture, we're going to talk about the rule of exportation. So the rule of exportation goes like this. So if you have the formula P and Q, arrow R, then you can turn that into a sort of a more expanded version of this conditional. If P, then if Q, then R. So when I first learned the rule, this is the way my professor explained it. If you have ham and you have eggs, then you can make an omelet. Well, if you have ham, then if you have eggs, then you can have an omelet. So you can either talk about the ham and eggs together, or you can talk about them kind of separately. So he called this rule ham and eggs. And I'll have to admit that in my head it's still called ham and eggs. But don't cite the rule of ham and eggs. We're going to cite this rule as EXP. Now your text has both an exportation and an importation. They call one of these exportation and one importation. I guess actually they use EXPT for whatever reason. So to keep things consistent, we'll do that too. We'll call it EXPT. So I can't really keep track of which one is exportation and which one is importation. And since it's a two-way rule, if you have this, you can have this, and vice versa. I don't really see any reason to have two different names for what's the same rule. So I'm just going to have you just call it EXPT.